That constant drip from your outdoor spigot, also called a hose bib, is more than just a waste of water. As winter approaches, that small leak can turn into a frozen burst pipe, causing major damage to your home's foundation and siding. Fixing it now is a simple but crucial task to protect your home. Before starting any plumbing repair, you must shut off the water supply to the spigot. Look for a dedicated shutoff valve inside your house, usually in the basement or crawl space directly behind where the spigot is located. If you can't find one, you'll need to shut off the main water supply to your entire home. Once it's off, open the outdoor spigot to drain any remaining water. There are two common types of leaks. If water seeps out from under the handle only when the water is turned on, the problem is likely a loose packing nut or a worn-out packing washer. If the spigot constantly drips from its spout, even when it's tightly shut off, the issue is a failing washer deep inside the valve. For a handle leak, your first step is simple. Use a wrench to gently tighten the packing nut located just behind the handle. A small turn is often all that's needed. If this doesn't stop the leak, you'll need to replace the packing washer. Simply unscrew the handle, remove the packing nut, and replace the worn rubber or string-like washer inside. For a constant drip, you'll need to replace the main seat washer. After removing the handle, use a wrench to unscrew the entire packing nut and valve assembly. Pull the long stem straight out. At the very end, you'll see a single screw holding a rubber washer in place. This is the culprit. Replace it with an identical one from the hardware store. Once the new washer is in place, reassemble the spigot, turn the indoor water supply back on slowly, and check for leaks. Once you've confirmed the drip is gone, it's time to winterize. Shut the indoor valve off again. Open the outdoor spigot to let all the water drain out. And most importantly, disconnect your garden hose for the season. If your spigot is very old and corroded, if you can't get parts to turn, or if you suspect the leak is actually coming from the pipe inside the wall, it's best to stop and call a professional. Applying too much force can break the pipe and turn a small repair into a major emergency. For reliable repairs, professional winterization, and upgrades to modern frost-free spigots, trust the licensed experts. The team at Black Mountain Plumbing can ensure your home is protected from leaks and burst pipes